Hey gang, I'm Fahaam, your financial freedom guru. Let's turn your dreams into billionaire success stories. Today, we're diving deep into one of the biggest questions out there. Can you really make $100,000 a year doing nothing? Is passive income real, or is it just another overhyped fantasy that only works for the ultra rich? The truth is, passive income is 100% real, but here's the kicker. You need to set things up first before the money starts rolling in. So, let's break down exactly how you can hit that six-figure mark without lifting a finger once your system is in place. Let's start with real estate. One of the most proven ways to generate passive income is through rental properties. Imagine owning a few apartments, condos, or even a single-family home that generates consistent rental income. You don't have to deal with tenants directly. You can hire a property management company to handle everything while you collect rent. And with short-term rentals like Airbnb, you can make even more money, especially in high-demand areas. The key is finding undervalued properties, financing them smartly, and letting rental income pay off your mortgage while still leaving you with profit every month. Then we have dividend stocks. Investing in the right stocks can generate steady income without you doing a thing. Dividend-paying stocks are like financial machines that reward you just for holding them. Companies like Apple, Microsoft, and Johnson & Johnson pay out dividends regularly. And if you reinvest those dividends, your income grows over time. Let's say you have $500,000 invested in stocks with an average 5% annual dividend yield. That's $25,000 a year doing absolutely nothing. Now, if you keep reinvesting and growing your portfolio, hitting that $100,000 per year goal isn't far-fetched at all. Another goldmine is affiliate marketing. This is where you make money by promoting other people's products or services. You don't need to create anything, manage inventory, or deal with customers. All you do is set up a blog, website, or YouTube channel and share links to products you believe in. Every time someone buys through your link, you get a commission. The trick is choosing the right niche, finance, tech, beauty, or health, where people are actively searching for recommendations. Once your content is out there, those commissions keep coming in while you sleep. Now, let's talk about creating and selling digital products. This is one of the best ways to build an automated income stream. Imagine writing an ebook, creating an online course, or designing digital templates that people can buy over and over again. Unlike a physical product, you create it once and sell it forever. Platforms like Gumroad, Udemy, or Teachable make it easy to reach thousands of buyers worldwide without ever dealing with shipping or logistics. This is how people generate six-figure incomes while sipping cocktails on the beach. Another hands-off income stream? Licensing your content. If you're a photographer, musician, or designer, you can license your work and get paid every time someone uses it. Websites like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, and Epidemic Sound allow creators to upload their work, and every time someone downloads it, you earn a royalty. If you have high-quality content, this becomes a never-ending revenue stream that keeps making money even years after you uploaded it. Now let's get into automated e-commerce. Dropshipping is a business model where you sell products without holding inventory. When a customer places an order, your supplier ships it directly to them. You don't touch the product, you don't handle shipping, it's completely automated. Platforms like Shopify and Amazon FBA allow you to set up a store that runs 24/7, generating revenue while you do nothing. With the right marketing strategy, it's entirely possible to scale a dropshipping business to $100,000 in pure profit. And we can't forget about YouTube and monetized content. Imagine running a YouTube channel where your videos make money even while you sleep. Once you hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, YouTube enables monetization through ads. But that's just the beginning. You can also make money through sponsorships, memberships, and merchandise. The key is creating evergreen content, videos that remain relevant for years, bringing in new views and income daily. Next, we have peer-to-peer lending. This is where you act as the bank, lending money to individuals or small businesses through platforms like Prosper or Lending Club. Borrowers pay you back with interest. generating consistent returns with minimal effort. If you spread your money across multiple loans to reduce risk, this can become a solid source of passive income, bringing you closer to that $100,000 per year goal. Another method? Automated crypto staking. If you own cryptocurrency like Ethereum, Solana, or Cardano, you can stake your holdings and earn passive income just for keeping your coins in a staking pool. Some platforms offer 5 to 10% annual returns, meaning if you have a sizable crypto portfolio, you could generate thousands of dollars in passive income without selling a single coin. The key is choosing reliable projects with long-term potential. Then there's one of the simplest, yet most overlooked strategies: building a business that runs itself. Many entrepreneurs start businesses that eventually operate without them. Think about franchising, automated online services, or subscription-based businesses. Once you set up the right team and automate processes, the business continues to generate revenue while you step back. Many people build subscription box services, software as a service, SaaS businesses, or even vending machine businesses that require almost no daily involvement. Let's not forget about royalties from books, movies, or patents. If you create something valuable, a book, a screenplay, an invention, you can license it and get paid every time it's used. Even something as simple as self-publishing a book on Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing can turn into a lifelong passive income stream. Imagine writing a book once and making money from it for the rest of your life. That's the power of royalties. And finally, you can even make passive income by renting out assets you already own. Got an extra room? List it on Airbnb. Own a car? Rent it out on Turo. Have storage space? Rent it on platforms like Neighbor. There are countless ways to turn things you already own into automated income streams without any extra effort. So, can you really make $100,000 a year doing nothing? Absolutely, but only if you set the right systems in place first. Passive income isn't about laziness. It's about working smart and making money while you sleep. The key is diversifying your income streams, automating the process, and letting your money and assets work for you. Whether it's through real estate, stocks, affiliate marketing, digital products, or crypto, the opportunities are endless. Now, if you're serious about financial freedom, don't just sit there. Start taking action. Which of these methods do you think is the best way to generate passive income? Let me know in the comments, and if you found this video valuable, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on game-changing financial strategies. Until next time, keep chasing that freedom.